Hello friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are making dinosaur trick-or-treat masks. In addition to these pieces from your kit, the paper plate with the stick attached to it, 2 big purple triangle shapes and 1 small one, and 1 orange shape, you will also need a glue stick and some colors. So we're going to start by coloring our mask. And this Triceratops, that's what we're going to make, is going to be trick-or-treating. So we want to give him a superhero mask. And I'm going to start with that part of our creation today. So this is how I like to draw my superhero mask, but you could also just do straight lines across. Whatever version you like is totally okay, and you can use whatever color you like as well. I'm using black just because I think that makes him look mysterious, but you can use any color you'd like. Be sure to get creative with it. We've already got the eye holes cut out for you. And we've already got our stick attached onto the paper plate so that you can hold it up like a mask when you're done. You just hold it right up to your face and peek out the eyes and you are good to go. So we've got our mask, and now I need to decide what color my Triceratops is going to be. Now I have purple and orange here, and I think a color that would go really nice with that is this yellow-green. So I'm going to use that color for my Triceratops' skin. I'm going to color the rest of the mask, color it all the way in with this green. I'm going to do a nice light layer of color, but you can make it as bright or as vivid or as close to the edges as you want. I'm just doing kind of some scribbly coloring for now. Once I'm finished with this, we can start putting on the final pieces with our glue stick, and we will have a stupendous Triceratops superhero mask. That's quite the combination, huh? You could be a dinosaur and a superhero, a dinosaur in disguise. Pretty neat. Okay. So next we're going to take these 2 big triangles and we're going to put them up top for the Triceratops horns. You can glue them to the back of the paper plate or the front. I'm going to glue mine to the back. There we go. Oops, my glue stick is running out. Let me see if I can find another one. This one's purple. A little bit up top on each side. Perfect. And then we can glue down our Triceratops horns. Brilliant. That looks really good. Next, we're going to do, this is kind of the top of his nose piece. So we're going to put this little nose horn on right in the middle of his face. And then on top of his horn, we've got to put his nose. So there we are. We have a super cute Triceratops mask. You can hold it up to your face and go boo, or go roar. Whatever you want. You can be a dinosaur, you could be a superhero, you could be a trick-or-treater. Lots of fun to be had. Thank you guys so much for crafting with me. I hope you have a lovely day.